Oh, hi. Different video. We thought we'd try something different. Looking into a camera on the side of a dam feels a bit strange. Welcome back to the Odd Jobs. I've just experienced something quite cool for the first time. We're going to do a review. What we're going to review, Sam?
A World War II Ford GPW, a 1945 one.
So for those that have not seen one, roll intro. I'm just walking back to Sam now. He's doing like a 50 million point turn in the Jeep. No power steering or anything, it's genius. So here he comes. Beautiful. What a machine. Right, so we're going to go for a little bit of a drive. We will talk about this Jeep, I promise, but at the minute we don't have the screen down and it's bouncy, so it's really good. Apologies for the sound, but yeah, check this out. Look at the smile on your face.
Off-roading as well.
Yeah, man. Mate, how cool is this? So what we're going to do now then is we're going to have a look under the engine bay, aren't we?
Yeah.
And have a look around this
Get
Jeep.
the screen up. Excuse the screen, I used some not so great paint, so it's all peeling off.
I don't think they're all that bothered, Sam, to be fair.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll have a look under the engine bay.
Okay.
So what sort of engine is it?
So it's a 2.2 litre flathead side valve. I think its ancestor really, it's like tractor ancestry. It's quite a robust engine. So I'll just point out some things around the engine bay.
Yeah,
so we've got our air filter in there. It's an oil bath air filter. Regulator in there. I've got a modern electronic unit inside it which replaces the mechanical one.
Just more reliable, yeah?
Yeah. An absolutely in keeping period Halfords battery there.
Yeah, can't beat it.
Dynamo distributor. Starter motor down there at the bottom.
Yeah.
And we've got our horn up here.
Oh, we haven't tried the horn out.
Which the wiring's broken for it, unfortunately, so I need to sort that out.
We still haven't tried the horn out. Oh, we won't try the horn out.
We might do one day.
Yeah.
Carburetor. This one's running a Solex carburetor. The original one would have been a Carter, but this one supposedly runs a bit better on this. And I must admit it's running nicely, so I won't bother messing around with it.
Cool. So what sort of, well, I suppose what sort of problems are you getting with it?
Just general running in problems, you know.
Yeah.
Stuff when a car's been put together from scratch, you're always going to have forgotten a couple of things, aren't you? Nuts and bolts or a couple of split pins.
Yeah, I mean it looks fantastic,
or
doesn't
to change the oil in the diff.
it? Yeah, don't forget that.
Yeah, luckily I'd only done a few miles on it, but yeah, it was like mud, literally like mud. I've got a British fire extinguisher on this one. What is it? Tetra, I think. Obviously on the American ones it would have been an American fire extinguisher. Going inside, got the data plates on the glove box there.
These all original.
These ones are reproductions of the originals, but they're really good ones.
Oh yeah.
Got our various gear sticks there. Got transfer case in and out, high and low ratio, and the normal gears as well there as well. On the dashboard, that's our handbrake. These are the panel lights, fuel gauge, speedo, ammeter, temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge, and then moving along this way, panel lights, that's how you control these, hand throttle, so you can control the throttle by hand. Gives it away in the name there, doesn't it? Yeah. Ignition switch, the choke, and the lights as well.
Nice. So we were saying, weren't we, in the car, it's like very, you know, you'd expect something this old it'd be slightly different, but it's not, is it? You know,
everything's in the normal place where you'd expect it, really.
Yeah.
Clutch, brake, accelerator in the places you'd expect. The only difference is to start it, your starter switch is down on the floor down here.
Yeah.
As opposed to on a key. But some people do convert them to go on a key anyway. I've seen it done.
Yeah.
Okay, so around this side we've got our Pioneer tools, the spade and the axe. Moving around towards the back, trailer socket just here.
Nice.
It's quite a nice original one, that is.
That is cool.
Lights, that one's taken a bit of a bump unfortunately, so I need to straighten out the bracket behind it, which is why it's on a jaunty angle. Reflectors here as well.
You know how British you sounded then? Oh, it's taking a little bump. You know, not showing the good bits. Oh, please excuse this.
Yeah.
And your jerry can.
Jerry can. Obviously, because I'm a throbber, I've got a 1945 dated jerry can as well there. Got to be done, isn't it?
Of course it has.
Pintle hook underneath so you can tow a trailer. That's really about it. They're pretty simple, aren't they?
Yeah.
There's not a hell of a lot to them. Got your storage bins in the back as well, which are
full of stuff.
Full of stuff.
But yeah, you can fit stuff in there.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is like our first foray into reviewing, and Sam's been dying to get this out for ages. So
yeah,
brilliant.
And the weather's really getting nice.
That's picked up, isn't it? I don't know if you can see. But yeah, we're using different cameras today, so it might slightly blow out a little bit, but yeah. Come on! Safety first, kids. I was going to go with that now. Onwards! I hope we're not keeping up the traffic too much.
30.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Ish. good. Oh, no. This is going to catch it. There you go, look. Yeah, you're in. Go straight there, dude. Okie dokie. So, that was our first excursion in the Jeep for a while, or Sam's Jeep.
Yeah.
And our first review-ish. Let us know what you think.
It's a good run.
Yeah.
Good run.
Interesting. We're trying something different. We're running out of time for the, not time for the Manta, are we?
Jobs, really. It's
jobs
about done, hopefully.
Yeah, work gets in the way as it always does. But we've got more videos to come. A couple more reviews coming. But yeah, that's a review for the Jeep. Any questions, comment below.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, like and subscribe, all that jazz.
On to the next one.
Yeah. See you later.
Come on, do it! I've only got no indicators, so I need you to stick your right arm out if that's okay.
Yeah.
Cheers.
As in this truck.
Jesus!